I'm happy to be back here. I was nervous. My ticket had a problem in becoming confirmed and all, but it's fine. I had a lot of difficulty in coming back to Kerala.
How was the experience, sir? First flight after a long time.
It was like same before, no problem. CIL has done a good job. They have maintained the airfield very well. Like it was like before, same like before, no problem. Only I see some residual dust and mud is there, but that will be gone sometime.